How can there be less lemon chicken feet suitable for all ages? Hot and sour, crispy, appetite and satisfy cravings. It costs 40 yuan a斤to buy it outside. The cost of doing it at home should not exceed 20 yuan. Next, I will share the detailed method with you. I bought 2 catties of chicken feet for 12 yuan a catty. When we choose chicken feet, to choose this slightly smaller one, these are the feet of the 3 yellow chicken, not a broiler. The taste will be better. Add a tablespoon of salt to it first. Then pour in a spoonful of flour. Then grab the chicken feet like this. But be a little careful when catching. Prevent the bone from piercing itself. Flour has a strong adsorption capacity. It can effectively remove dust and impurities from the surface of chicken feet. Add a little more water to it. Go into the water again and give it a scratch so the dirt and slime on the chicken feet all grabbed off with the flour. We can also do it one by one. Scratch the chicken feet like this. Make it at home and eat it, so you can feel more at ease. After all the scratches, change the water a few more times. Just wash the chicken feet a few more times. Wash the chicken feet water control. Take it out and put it on the cutting board. Next, use a knife to cut off the fingernails of the chicken feet. Don't make this nail prone to bacteria. Chop off the fingernails and then cut the chicken feet in half. This is more convenient and tasty. After all is dealt with, put it in a larger bowl and set aside. Prepare some ginger slices and scallion nuts. Then pour a little more water into the pot. We are going to put washed chicken feet in a pot with cold water. Then add ginger cubes and scallion nuts. Pour in some cooking wine to remove the fishy smell. Then we turn on medium and low heat to boil the chicken feet. The floating foam is the main source of the fishy smell. We are going to use a spoon, and they just kept scavenging it all up. Fished until there is no foam in it. Just come out again. After picking up the foam, cook the chicken feet for about 25 分钟. Use and that's about it. At this time, the chicken feet have all been cooked. Next, we take it out of the water. Put it in a cool oven prepared in advance to cool. It gets too cold so quickly. It can make this chicken feet taste more crispy and tender. After it gets cold, fish it out again. Put it in boiling hot water and bring it to a boil again. This can be removed well, the stench of chicken feet. It also tastes more reassuring. Just cook it for a few minutes or so. We add 2 more ice packs to the cold water. Then put the chicken feet in the ice water. Soak the chicken feet in ice water for later use. At this time, we prepare half an onion cut into filaments. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. And a handful of cilantro cut into small pieces. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Prepare a lemon. Cut the lemon into thinner slices. We'll check it again after cutting. Where lemon seeds were found, you have to twist out all the lemon seeds. These lemon seeds have a bitter taste. Caught in it will affect the taste. Cut it all and put it in a bowl for later use. Next, prepare a few millet peppers. Cut it in circles. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Prepare a small piece of ginger. First, slice it up. Then I cut it into filaments. And then chop them into little cubes. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Finally, prepare some garlic. Slice the garlic first. Then change the knife and chop it into minced garlic. After chopping, put it in a bowl and set aside. This time, our chicken feet are all too cold. And then we bring it out under water control. Put it in a slightly larger bowl. Then add the lemon slices, millet pepper. Pour in some soaked wild mountain peppers, minced ginger, shredded onion. Add minced garlic too, and cilantro. Then add a spoonful of salt, half a spoonful of chicken essence, sprinkle with some pepper and 5 spice powder. Pour in a little more soy sauce and some balsamic vinegar. Add a spoonful of oyster sauce. Add a spoonful of dark soy sauce to improve the color. A spoonful of sugar to freshen up. Finally, pour in the right amount of Sprite. The amount of Sprite does not exceed chicken feet. Let's put on gloves and scratch him. Grab all the seasonings and spices inside. That's it. Dear friends, you can see the video here. If you think my video, if it helps you, please extend your rich hand and give me a like. Thank you for your support and encouragement. At this point, we've got it all. But the chicken feet are not tasty yet. We need to give it enough time to absorb the juice. Let it taste. Next, we cover it with a layer of plastic wrap. Then put it in the refrigerator for one night. You can eat it the next morning. It's that simple and delicious lemon chicken feet is ready. After soaking for one night, chicken feet become particularly tasty, and it tastes hot and sour. Extremely appetizing. It's great for both wine and dinner. If you feel good too, just collect it and try it. Like my video. Remember to like and follow the message and forward it. See you in the next video.